Hello friends. Welcome back to Unite Coaching. We were getting so many requests for uploading videos on government exam preparations, strategies for civil engineering government exams. So this is the new series of videos from Unite Coaching, in which we will guide you about different types of government exams related to civil engineering branch, how to prepare for that, what strategies should be followed and so on. So let's start with the video. In the first video, we will be giving information about the Assistant Town Planner post, number of vacancies in it, pay scale, how to apply for it, how to study for it, what study material should be referred, etc. So let's take a look at it. The post is Assistant Town Planner with number of vacancies 172. Pay scale will be in between 9,300 rupees to 34,800 rupees and grade pay will be 4,400 rupees. Job will be within Maharashtra. You can see here the qualification required for this exam. Age limit is 38 years. Application fees is 374 rupees for general and OBC candidates and 274 rupees for SC and ST candidates. Last date to apply is 31st March of 2018. Website will be the official MPSC website. Next, syllabus. As they have mentioned in the ad that exam will be taken if number of applications are more, we will assume that the exam will be taken, because the number of application may be more than 30,000. So the chances of taking exam are 90%. General section may carry approximately 50 marks. Planning section may carry approximately 100 marks. And the third valuation may carry approximately 50 marks. As the syllabus is not yet revealed by Commission, there may be some changes in the syllabus. And the last part, what study material should be used for this exam. These are some acts and rules which you can get in PDF format from Google. This is the list of various books that you should refer. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Unite Coaching for more such videos. Hello.